Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by observing when your Android restarts and collect clear patterns. Check if restarts happen while charging, at 50% battery, or randomly during use. Reproduce the issue and note the exact time and the app in use. Boot into safe mode for 10 minutes to test whether third-party apps cause restarts. If the phone is stable in safe mode, a recently installed app is likely responsible. If restarts persist, the issue may be system software or hardware related. Try non-invasive software fixes before factory resetting the device. Power off, then enter recovery mode and clear the system cache partition. Reboot and test the phone for at least 30 minutes of normal use. Uninstall apps installed in the last 7 days and reboot after each removal to isolate culprits. Check for Android system and app updates and install them before testing again. If updates and cache clearing fail, proceed to backing up data for a factory reset. If software fixes fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset right away. After resetting, reinstall only essential apps and test for 24 hours to confirm resolution. If restarts continue, inspect the battery health for swelling or rapid discharge under 20% charge. Check if the device overheats above 45 degrees C during use or charging, which signals a hardware fault. Examine the charging cable, adapter, and port for damage and measure output volts before seeking professional repair or battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.